Hey guys, so today I'm back with another unboxing of Boxycharm January edition. So let's just get right into it. I haven't opened it, I just took the tape off. So, um, let's see. On the very top it says, and the charm award goes to, um, you can win a Boxycharm if you do these things. So yeah, cool. So on top I have a okay dog. I have a 25% off your next purchase at Pure, it's PUR, whatever, cosmetics. Oh, don't take that from me though. And then it says something about following on Snapchat. I'm sorry that the dogs are barking. Don't pay any attention to that. Okay, so the first thing is in here. Let's see. It says Gorge, maybe? I'll make your face radiant. Konjac sponge. If I am butchering these words, I'm sorry. Is your skin feeling a little tired and could use some good old TLC? Say hello to your new best friend that will deliver smoother, softer, brighter looking skin. Okay, so it's like a really hard sponge. Okay, let's see. I guess you soak the sponge for a minute, you massage it onto your face and neck, you rinse out any cleanser. So I guess it's just a sponge that you can use with or without a cleanser. But if you use a cleanser, use a small amount. This is cool. I might use it. I will use it. I'm kind of trying to get into skincare, so we'll see what happens. This sponge is $18, so that's cool. Cause I wouldn't buy that outright. I'm sorry. Okay, so the next thing, Faux Wrap. I don't know if this is like a 2-for-1 or if it's 2-in-1. Let me try to figure out how to open this thing. There we go. I found an opening. Okay, so I guess I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I can get. Let's see. Mineral Glow Bronzing Powder. So this is the packaging. Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's cute. It's also by Pure, whatever it's called. I hate these boxes. I'm gonna rip them. I'm gonna rip it. I can't get it out. Okay. Oh. Okay. So it's like that. Let me open it for you. So. Oh, it's so soft. So it looks like. So we'll do like a little swatch. That's not bad. It's a little on the orangey side, but like, it's not bad. I'll use it. I always do. Let's see, that one was $25. So then there's another thing in this bubble wrap. Throw that off to the side. This is I think 2 Boxycharms ago, we got a highlighter from this. It's vintage by Jessica Libeskind, whatever it's called. Illuminating face highlighter set. So a couple months ago we got just a plain highlighter, I believe. So I guess this is like a highlighting palette. So packaging is just, it's so pretty. It's like so white and then it just has the gold vintage on it. Oh, things are already falling out at me. Ooh. Okay, I'm not mad about it. So there's the colors. Let me see if I can. It's in, oh my goodness. Rose quartz and chocolate diamond. So rose quartz, chocolate diamond. Let me, real quick, before I go any further, I'm gonna grab the other one. Okay, so this is so dirty now. But this one was in rose gold. Okay. So what's weird is that's the one that I got. This is rose quartz. Okay, okay. So it's a little different. That's the one that I got. It's rose gold. That's rose quartz and then chocolate diamond. So we'll swatch. I'll swatch all of them. You've already seen this one, but we'll do it again. So it looks like that. And then on the hand, it's just a really subtle highlight. It wasn't too, I didn't like it too much. So then this next one, we got rose quartz. Ooh, that feels really nice. Look at that shine. So we'll just swatch it next to this. Oh, okay, now I like this one. This is really pretty. And then we got chocolate, whatever. I'll never remember. Chocolate diamond. My goodness. They're so, like, that's pretty too. Oh my goodness. Oh, do you see that? So that's, this down here is like the rose gold, which you can barely see, but then you got these ones. I'm excited about this palette. This, yes, yes, yes. I'm already sold. Like, I don't even have to look through the rest of the thing. That right there, that is great. So that is $35. Next in here we've got a box English laundry. I think this is a I don't know what it is. I'm not gonna say I know what it is. It says pour femme, pour. I'm butchering everything I say because I don't know any of this. Okay, it slides out. Oh my goodness. Yes. So I believe this is, it's a rollerball thing. The packaging is really pretty. It's like a pinky ombre, and then it has like what it's called. Let's see what it smells like. It's not bad. It just smells like a perfume. Let's see what it says. This is a deluxe size. This is a really nice deluxe size. Holy crap. 25. Let's see. Doesn't say like anything specific. It smells to me like laundry with a twist, which would probably be why it's called English laundry. Maybe. It's like a little stronger than like laundry. That's how I feel it is. Oh well, whatever. I probably won't use it. I'm not a big perfume fan. So then the last thing in here, I'm actually really excited about because I was online about ready to buy one of these. So that's pretty cool. It's a fan brush. So this is So Susan. It's really soft. I wanted one because I saw I think it was Nikki Tutorials. She uses a fan brush for like her highlighting, and I wanted to start doing that because like I think it would just fit so perfect right there. Like that's where it wants to go. Just right there. So I was actually about to buy one of these, so I'm glad I waited because Boxycharm got me. Okay. So this is $18.95. And it says favorite highlighter, powder, dust across your cheekbones for a glowy complexion. So this is like legit for a highlighter. It's not like thick at all, but that's what it looks like. Alright, so that was everything. All around, I think it's a really good box. You have your bronzer, you have your highlighter, you have your highlighter brush, you have a little bit of skincare, and then you have like smell like good stuff, perfume, whatever. So I think out of everything, I'm most excited about this brush and this highlighting palette because I've been wanting to get like a better highlighter because my like go-to highlighter right now is the L'Oreal Lumi, which is good. It's a great highlighter. Don't get me wrong, drugstore, great highlighter. But I wanted something a little more high-end, and I was gonna get the Becca one, but I didn't. So I have this now, so we'll do it. I'm gonna maybe do a review on it once I like wear it, let you know what my final thoughts are. But yeah, I'm super excited, super impressed with everything in the box this month. Like I said, the only thing I probably won't use is that perfume, but I mean, it's whatever. I can always give it to like my mom or something. She likes clean smells like this. So, yeah, if there's anything else you want to see, just let me know. If you have any requests, if you want to have like in-depth reviews on anything that I got, let me know. If you want to see this eyeshadow look, let me know. If you're wondering what this lip color is, it is from Jordana, and I have a review either coming up or already up. I don't know how my videos are gonna kind of come out. It just depends on how I edit them and whatnot. So I got a few coming. Who knows, this might be the last one. So there might not be anyone after this. I mean, there'll be more. Okay, I'm just rambling now. So anyway, I'm gonna leave. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Let me know what you want to see next. If there's anything you want me to pick up and review, let me know, and I will do my best to do that. So yeah, I think that's all for this Boxycharm January edition. See you guys later. Bye. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. Now there